Then friends, today we have the newspaper of 28th June 2024, and in this newspaper the first news is about the CBI arrests two in Patna in NEET paper leak case, and as the investigation agencies are working thoroughly to curb this cheating mafia and making ensure equal ground for everyone. This is not only necessary to give sense of confidence to the participants but also creating a sense of fear among the culprit and among the persons who are just have the thought that with the amount of money they can earn everything. And in that continuous series of actions, CBI are working closely with the state agencies and police, and in that actions they arrest two people in Patna. Next news is about President flags NEET mention emergency in Parliament speech. AAP MP boycotts President's address over Kejriwal's arrest. Nationwide stays tomorrow. Vokalinga Seer publicly asks Siddaramaiah to hand over Karnataka CM post to his deputy Shivakumar. Amid dispute with governor over swearing of MLAs, Mamta says women do not feel safe in Raj Bhavan. Rain bring relief from heat, spell the traffic chaos in Delhi. Arvind Kejriwal won't bow down, say Punjab CM Man. Shiromani Akali Dal to support BSP nominee for Jalandhar Assembly by poll. Next news is about women tourist was away in Parvati River, body found. As this event take place, that the couple are from Haryana and busy in taking photographs. That's time at 6:30 the event take place and the body of woman found in Parvati River. Two women Naxalites with 16 lakh bounty surrender. Uddhav mounts attack on center. Mayukti government over NEET Ram Temple leakage. Tamil Nadu Huchi death. AIADMK leaders chase hunger strike. JJP offers support to Congress for Rajya Sabha poll in Haryana. Dismiss alliance with BJP. DD get custody of Kingpin in 2022 Jammu Kashmir SI paper leak case. CBI filed charge sheet against 5 former police officials in ISRO case. CID filed charge sheets against Yadurappa in POSCO case. MSCBC scam police at odds with ED over closure report. Tax hike on tourist buses. Kerala ministers warn Tamil Nadu of tit for tat. Centre's agreement with BIL may place spoiler to TNCM's plan to open airport at Hosur. Amnesty for RPM founders killers. Kerala government suspend officials but UDF sees red. A phone of her own. Across rural India, data shows that girl has less likely to own smartphone than boys. Ashan Bhutani visit Haryana SARS district to understand the repercussions of gap in ownership of digital device on young women, their admission to college and preparation for competitive examinations. Raisi and the year-old issue of cross-border terrorism. Get Vande Bharat metro routing right. Unwarranted arrest. Timing of Kejriwal arrests hit at the bad faith, eagerness to deny him freedom. Neat damage. India fisher flock must be weaned away from bottom traveling. Did a constitutional consensus drive much of the Dalit and OBC vote? Flashback and fast forward. Of the best parties of being a reporter is that you change upon historic nuggets or leakages when you are least expect them. Breaking down the top brass. Neutralized citizens Russia sent to fight in Ukraine. 10,000 at top officials said some had chosen to leave the country. Moscow has been accused of pressuring Central Asian migrants to join its armed forces. By which list of threatened species grew. Number of Indian fishermen arrested in Sri Lanka. Number of people at risk of famine in Sudan. Level breached by Sensex for the first time in Thursday. India and US is in talk for Stryker infantry vehicle. Manipur BJP chief meet Amit Shah for solution to conflict. Plea in Supreme Court seeks stay on implementation of 3 criminal laws. Fisher held in Sri Lanka to be booked for serious death. Center will give priority to the safety of fishermen. In a U-turn, Mamata says eviction of hawkers not the goal of Bengal government. Jaishankar flagged concern over the violence in Manipur. In Myanmar, India plans adjournment motion on NEET issue. Rahul meet Om Birla says resolution on emergency could have been avoided. Congress invocation of a constitution's pretense BJP. Rajya Sabha decides to revoke suspensions of AAP MPs. India bloc parties back SPMP views on removing Sinogal. Another bridge caves in. Fourth collapse in 8 days in Bihar. Students protest at Jantar Mantar want anti-dissolve. SC Delhi High Court seeks anti-response to the petitions on NEET. Antelope-like mammals from Bhutan recorded at lowest elevation in Western Assam. Uttarakhand government to study the risk posed by 13 glacier lake during monsoon. No permit for JK Bar Association election. Economy robust despite global risk. Reliance Jio rises mobile data traffic effective July 3. CCI junk competitions law violation case against Google. Infosys CEO settled charge of leaking insider trading curve. RBI Regis SAR currency swap line. Ultratech Cement acquired 23 stake in India Cement. Kotak Life eyes gross return premium of 20,000 crore in financial year 25. Delhi to host global meet on recycled plastic. Sri Lanka call on Russia to discharge its citizens from army. Former Myanmar President Thein Sein make a rare trip to China. Russia sent 10,000 naturalized citizens to fight in Ukraine. US Supreme Court allow emergency abortions in Idaho. Bolivian general arrested after failed coup attempt. Kenya police fire rubber bullet tear gas at protests. Former Chinese defense minister sick from party. Sunak stammers clashes in final debate on tax on border. Israeli warned it could send Lebanon back to Stone Age. Over half of the Sudan face acute food insecurity. This is from sports section news. That's from my side, friend. See you soon.